Hey dudes, it is me, Zeke07, and we are back with the Double Z Survival series with Dr. Zebra. Ooh, you got a skin!
Yeah, look, it's called Fire and Ice.
I don't remember what my skin is called.
Look, there's a creeper on your back!
There's
a creeper on your back! Let me get it off for you!
What's this thing?
That's a piston. That's a dispenser.
Can I get a sword? Don't you want an iron sword?
Yeah, dude, look how boss I am when I have all my stuff on.
Can I have a sword?
This is my regular fighting kit.
Are you using that iron sword? Can I use this diamond sword? Can I use the diamond sword?
Sure, I don't care about it. You can have it if you want to.
Can I use the bow?
Wait, what? No. No, you can't use the bow.
Can I use the pickaxe?
You can use the bow that's not, enchanted.
Can I use the pickaxe?
Sure.
Can I make myself iron stuff?
Yeah, sure. I just killed a zombie in 2 hits.
Oh, sorry.
So what's this episode going to be about, Zeke?
I don't know. Let's go mining.
Okay. Well, we're going to try to find diamonds, and we'll get back to you.
I'm not cutting the video. Whoa.
Zeke, can you make me a pickaxe and iron one?
Okay.
Rock, paper. This is boss.
I need some wood. Whoa! He has a helmet!
Zombie made to parkour.
Oh, zombie half helmet. Ooh, nether portal.
No, don't go in it. You'll lose all your stuff.
The Yin's house is looking nice.
Yeah.
I need food though. I'm gonna get a fishing rod. Die, you stupid skeleton.
I'm gonna make one too.
Kill the zombie! Wait, whatever happened to my cage? Someone stole my cage! Whoa. ZB, did you steal my cage?
Your cage?
Mm-hmm.
What cage?
Remember the Pet Zeke episode?
Yeah. Zeke, you have an arrow. You have an arrow sticking.
Do you have any wood?
No, I don't.
Oh, can you go out and get wood?
Oh wait, I have a good axe. Did you just steal my axe?
No.
Wait, you just stole my enchanted shovel.
You want it?
Oh wait. Some of my stuff is in my friend's house.
Do you want your shovel, ZB?
Sure.
Okay, it's in the chest.
How about you go get wood while I get my stuff? This episode's gonna be about mining diamonds, right?
It's just gonna be about doing what I feel like. Well, what we feel like.
Well, I feel like mining diamonds.
So do I. Okay, I'm gonna die.
Bye, Zeke. GG. GG, Zeke.
Do you have any food, Dr. Zebra?
Any food? No, but there's rotten flesh.
Okay, that's good enough. Where is it?
I have it.
There's spider eyes.
No, spider eyes, don't eat those. They'll just, like, ruin your heart. They'll just deplenish your heart level.
Yeah, but they can't kill you. Ooh, can I have this cooked mutton?
No, you cannot. That's my only regular food I have.
I'm gonna go fishing.
It's so regular. Don't eat it or else. You're some rotten flesh for you.
I have enough flesh. I'm making a fishing rod. So we can have more normal food, like fish.
Don't you need like sticks and spider web to make a...
Yeah, I know, I have both.
Oh, can you give me one? Oh, wait, can you enchant fishing rods?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, dude, that's...
Do you have any... Oh, here it is. Do you have any lapis?
Yeah, I do. I have tons.
Okay, where is it?
It's in my top chest.
Okay.
My house. Wait, see, before you go, give me your fishing rod.
I'm enchanting it, and then I'll make you one. Do you have any spider stuff? Spider web?
Yeah, tons.
Alright.
Too much.
I have some wood for you. So make that into sticks.
I know.
And then just make yourself a fishing rod. I'm enchanting my fishing rod. I'm breaking. Come on! Oh my gosh, come on!
What? Zeke.
Why isn't this working?
Zeke, don't shout in front of the viewers.
I do that all the time.
So
Why isn't this working?
I don't know. Like, how do you make it again? Like, I know how to...
Let me make it. Give me all your materials. Well, give me 3 sticks and a string.
Like, but which formation do you make it in?
Well, stick in the first slot, middle slot. Wait, sticks.
Yeah, I made it.
Okay. Can you enchant mine?
Sure. Here, give me the lapis.
Can you enchant mine too? Because I don't think it's working for me.
I think that's because you don't have enough experience.
No, I have 3, which is enough. After this, I'm gonna go fishing.
Yeah, why isn't this working?
I don't know. We don't need it enchanted. Let's enchant it later.
No, I want to enchant it.
Can you give me mine? Dr. Zebra, can you give me mine, please?
What? Sure. Yes. Here, Zeke. It's a... Oh, what?
Can I have mine?
Sure. Here. Oh, sorry I gave you an ingot.
Did you get it enchanted? Here's your ingots. I'm gonna go fishing.
I want to enchant.
So did I. But for some reason, it's not working. The server is lagging on us.
Did you have your video on?
Yeah.
Turn the video off. The server's not lagging, the computers are lagging.
Wait, dude. Wait, I'll turn my video off.
Turn the video off, it's the computer, not the server.
I know, I did turn my video off.
See, if you're lagging, turn your video off.
I'm not lagging.
Alright,
It just wasn't enchanting.
not lagging, then you're fine. When it starts to lag, you need to start turning other stuff off on the computer. The computer's the server.
What? Ooh, iron.
Where did you go?
I'm fishing for iron. Underwater.
You find iron underwater? Nice. I'm just fishing in a little island.
Oh, it's raining.
Yes, this is the perfect time for the fish.
Yep. Oh, I found an ocean. I'm gonna fish there.
I've never been over here before. What's it like?
Fishing can get boring.
Oh, I caught a spider web. I need
Never know.
What?
We just have to leave.
This is a bad spot for fish.
Here, fishy.
I'm going over here.
Oh, perfect. Fish. Oh no, I didn't catch one. I love this catch. Fishy. Zeke, this isn't working.
Yeah. There's fish in another video, Dr. Zebra.
Zeke, don't mind my sister. Oh, yes, I caught a fish. Boom. Fishy. I'm eating it now. Oh, come on. Now you're like...
I'm just gonna end the video here. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Bunny rabbit!
What?
Yeah!
That...
I got some raw rabbit that we can cook for food. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here, guys. I hope you dudes enjoyed. Subscribe.
Again, this is Dr. Zebra and ZF7 Awesomeness.
Stuff.
Yeah.
And so I hope you dudes enjoyed. Subscribe and click the like button and do all that stuff. And this should be up by Sunday, even though sorry for the delay. I couldn't do it on Saturday because it was really not like working, but that's the end of this video here, guys. Goodbye.